Are you considering new windows for your Long Island home? Today, let's talk about casement windows and why they might be the perfect choice for you. Casement windows, unlike traditional double-hung or sliding windows, open outward like a door using a simple crank mechanism. This design offers several unique benefits that make them stand out. First, let's talk energy efficiency. Casement windows are designed with one-piece double or triple-pane insulated glass. This means they provide excellent insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Next, ventilation. Because casement windows open fully, they allow maximum airflow into your home. And how about those views? With casement windows, you get clear views of the beautiful Long Island scenery. Whether it's your living room or a cozy nook, you'll enjoy more natural light and a stunning view. Casement windows are also incredibly user-friendly. The crank mechanism makes them easy to open and close, even for those with limited mobility. It's a thoughtful choice for seniors or anyone needing a bit more convenience. Of course, no window is perfect. Casement windows need clear space outside to open fully, and cleaning the exterior can be a bit challenging, especially on upper floors. If you rely on window air conditioning units, casement windows won't accommodate standard units. But with alternative cooling solutions like central air, this can be easily managed. At Unified Home Remodeling, we understand that every home and homeowner's needs are unique. With over 35 years of experience, we're here to help you navigate your options and find the perfect windows for your Long Island home. Ready to explore your window options? Contact Unified Home Remodeling today for a free in-home consultation and quote. Let us help you transform your home with beautiful, functional, and energy-efficient windows. Call us at 888-631-2131 or visit our website at unifiedhomeremodeling.com. Unified Home Remodeling, your trusted partner for window replacement on Long Island.